What's up, guys? So we're having a bad day. Having a really bad day today. I was heading down to the Keys to do a Miata cruise thing with some of my friends, and the day looked great. My glasses are foggy. They looked great, but it started to rain. It started to drizzle. It wasn't raining hard at all. And I went over like this bridge, and you know how when you get onto the bridge, like it gets really slick. Well, my RE71 RSs were very unhappy, and we spun. Thankfully, we didn't hit anybody. I wasn't even going that fast. I was going 70, if that, because it started to drizzle, right? And went into the ditch, hit the barrier, quarter panels all fucked, tail light is fucked, rear bumper's fucked. Engine still runs. I managed to get it out of the ditch. How? No fucking clue. No idea. I have a police escort right now helping me get off the highway, so there you go. Alright, so I managed to limp it all the way to Wawa. I gotta drive it home now. Car runs fine, engine's fine, it's just body damage. So I got to get this thing up and running before Toge Fest. Got 4 weeks. Alright, made it to the warehouse. Alright guys, so the plan is to gotta remove the bumper, tail light, which I ordered already off of J-Spec. Thank you, Andy. And I'm gonna have to remove the scoop for the new quarter, and then I gotta take off the side skirt and all that, you know, to remove this. Thankfully, the Spyder has all these interchangeable parts, you know, so that's the benefit. I gotta figure out what to do here. Looks like some stuff is bent, but I gotta take it all apart and see what needs to be done. Thankfully, the motor's fine, engine runs fine. After the wreck, drove it to the warehouse, and it's the only space that I really have to do the work. So yeah, man, sucks, but all right. So this is I don't think that should be like that, but yeah. So this piece is what got bent, and it has a bolt here and a bolt here, but it looks like it's welded on this side. So at least so it looks like from over here. So this is the piece that I need to replace, obviously, other than this. Alright, so thin aluminum. I'm gonna bend it back to shape, hammer it down. I already detached the quarter from it, so it's easily manipulated. So I'm gonna do that to line it up to make it match the one over here. And then I just gotta take out this, remove that, and then source this and that and the light, which I already told you guys I did that through JSpec, and then get it resprayed. Yeah, basically it, man. Alright, so I didn't have a mallet with me, but hammering this, I basically bent it back to it looks to me like it's the correct shape. So actually, now that I'm looking at it, I think this could be fixed. Obviously the paint gets resprayed, but heat gun and maybe push it out. I think that might be a cheaper course of action. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, so as of right now I gotta decide whether I send this to get fixed and this to get fixed, or get the replacement bumper and find a replacement quarter and have them resprayed and all that. Gotta sit down and think what would be the best thing to do. We're 3 weeks away from a track day. I still haven't even finished breaking in the motor, so that's one problem. And then 4 weeks from now is Toge Fest, so looks like we got a lot of work to be done. Kind of thinking of just running it without a rear bumper for now. Find a way to fix this quarter, put the tail light back in once I get it, and run it like this for the events that are coming up. I think that's what I might do. I'm actually really surprised that this quarter didn't get bent more. The reveal is still pretty good, you know. Might be off just a little bit, but I think if I don't know. What do you guys think? Salvageable? Or should I just get a new quarter? A new rear quarter? I don't know. Not half bad, honestly. With the way the car felt when I spun out, and I think it was due to the fact that I hit the guardrail versus the concrete wall, and I just bounced off it, like I ricocheted off of it. I think that's what saved the car, you know. Scary, man, scary, but